Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lina and in this video I'll show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy, which is video till the end. So write in the comments the like one will see $100 to the balance on the website. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP.
So we started with our Keltner channel, the settings we see. This indicator is based on volatility that measures price movements related to the lower and upper bands, moving average. This indicator often shows how strong the volatility is. That is, if the channel is quite wide, it's often consolidation. Here we see it, consolidation. This one is also small, and shows us the trend direction. The second indicator, oscillator, the settings. So in order to understand the signal from this indicator, we only need two consecutive bars, two green or two red, to open a deal. These are its main characteristics. It also shows how long the total was the trend. Of course, it doesn't always show, let's say, small reversals. We see we had a green bar on a red candle. That's okay. On technical analysis, also some additional indicators. So it's not difficult. So we started with our first concept, and don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel and my YouTube channel. The link in the description. We move on to the first concept. Our first concept, down deal, what we see from the technical analysis. Drawdown we see, then we see Keltner channel indicator. Upper border is directed downward, the middle border is directed downward, and the lower is directed upward due to the throwback, but we take advantage of the majority, thereby opening a deal on further decline. What else we see here? We can look at our oscillator. We see that we have a downward trend, green bar due to this recovery, but still in general the downward trend will most likely continue highlight relative to the area of support and resistance. We move towards it. Let's see. Yeah, good. Our deal is going into plus. Profit is $78 because payout percentage was 78, and our balance is $178. We move on. Here we are, down deal, and we start our technical analysis. What we see, stable downward position, and we see support and resistance areas. We move to the support area. So draw down red candles. Red is means we have a downward trend. So Keltner channel, this indicator will have a direction that is relatively indefinite for this line, moving down. So we opened down, one up, one red bar we see also, at least slightly downward trend. Let's see. Yeah, plus deal, profit is $76. And let's move on to the next concept. Here we are, down deal also, and we start our technical analysis. First, at the moment, we are in the state of drawdown. Then we look at the more general situation on the market. We have an increase, decrease, increase. Now we're again in decline. But we're an increase high, decrease constant. So this very good, a good indicator. So we opened down. Keltner channel. We see all lines are in the lower position. Green candle rollback. We have a green bar and red bars also. Let's see. Yeah, excellent. Our deal is in the plus, $78. So we started with $100, 3 concepts, and now we have $32. A little more than 3 times we increased our balance. Very good. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube and my Telegram channel. You'll find there many useful information about trading, and I think it will be very useful for you. The link in the description. So we move on to the next concept of down deal, and we start our technical analysis. Previous candle was formed quite small and with a huge shadow on the top. A drawdown, it's more likely than further we also see consolidation. Now we see consolidation. Keltner channel shows us it. Moving average line in the middle. Candles are still red. Drawdown trend. By oscillator we see growth, but if we look at it relatively, yes, it's growing, but still relative to this consolidation, we are moving in the uncertain direction. Drawdown strong. It's good. Plus deal. Profit is $74, if I'm not mistaken. We increase our balance and we move on, open up, and we start our technical analysis. Drawdown, we see some recovery we have. It's a good. So we opened up. Keltner channel shows us drawdown. By oscillator we have 3 green bars with the intersection of the 0 mark. It's very good for us. So we opened up. Let's see. 9 seconds left until the end of our deal. We're growing. Yeah, 4 seconds. 1, yeah. Great. Our profit is $341. Good. And our balance is $747. Let's reduce our deal amount and we move on to our last concept. So here we are, up and down, and we start our technical analysis. 5 seconds left until the candle. Shadow has not formed at the top. Candle will be downward. Then we see by Keltner channel, all the lines of this indicator are also directed in the lower position. This means that we can safely open our position for the fall. By oscillator, we have uncertain situation, but drawdown also. One green bar, but this tells us absolutely nothing. That this green bar was formed due to this recovery into green candles. Let's see. 6 seconds left. 3. Yeah, our deal is going into plus $344. And let's finish our trading session for today. Let's summarize it. So we increased our balance. It was $100 at the beginning, and now we have more than $1,000. It's very good. We increased our balance more than 10 times. 1 minute deal amount, time frame 1 minute. We used technical analysis and 2 indicator Kelvin channel, you see, and the settings and oscillator. So I think that's it. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube and Telegram channel, and you can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.